Hi everyone. These are 3 locks. The locks are the same, but the names are different. Garda, Kale, or Kale in Turkish, Cisa, or someone calls it Cisa. The sizes are the same for all. The impression into fits all these locks. The pins need to be lined up like this, a little higher than the tightness. Since the levers on the key rise a little higher here too, well, about 1 millimeter. Cisa lock. It is very important with this lock. First tension should be done very gradually, little by little. If you push right away, the pins may bend. Therefore, at first we do it smoothly, and when the first pins have already lowered, then we can continue to work at full strength.
Это Кале, копия Чизы.
This is Kale, a replica of Cisa lock, Cisa. In general, Cisa, Garda, Kale, the same magic key lockpicking tool is suitable for them.